Hello YouTuber, welcome to Khmerue Team Official channel. Today I'm telling you the 4 secrets of Google that I think most of you didn't know about it. If you are going to google.com and then try to search doable or roles and then hit enter and you will see something that look like this. Wow, it is so much fun. It is spinning on the screen on Google. And the other thing, the one more secret is you go to google.com again and then type this keyword. Type Google in 1998 and you will see everything is turned to 1998. And you can see here on the part down below is copyright in 1998 Google Inc. That is the other secret that you really didn't know before. And the secret number 3, if you type Google Gravity and then click on I'm free lucky and then everything is happening now. What? This is amazing and it is an awesome. So this is the number 3 of secret. Now I'll tell you number 4. If you have been disconnected to Google. If you go to google.com and then you disconnect your internet and then you will see the dinosaur is running by space. Click on the space bar and you will see something game that is very funny game. So thank you for watching.